Herbert Mazur of the London Philharmonic Orchestra there with the second movement of Schubert's Symphony Number 8. Now, I've got several...
Across the Northwest.
Smooth Radio.
Any more suggestions?
Well, I tell you what, this one, when I fit,
despite the fact that, I mean,
sad.
how you go? How you
songs in stock. What bit of that didn't you quite understand, Jim?
Well, I thought it might have been re-released.
Re-released. Don't cry, Daddy. Okay.
show who was.
Hey Siri. Birkenhead.
Scientists. Where is the rest of my...
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go.